Hello, today is July 13th, 2024. It's a Saturday, and I decided to fly the drone up and see if I could pick up the fires that are going on right now. One on the north and one in the south. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and get that video going. Taking off. Let me say hi to y'all. There you go. Hi. All right, let's go up. So now I'm facing east. My backyard and front yard are still under construction as far as landscaping. The two red containers, those are going to be part of the barn. The barn will be built in between. Okay, now we're looking east. And let's pan to the north. It's hard to see, but see all that smoke? So straight ahead, there's two fires going on right now. One is 10% under control, and the other one is not even under control yet. That's straight ahead. Way yonder. Okay, and then let's go ahead and pan toward the south. And let's see if you can find any fires. No, you can't really tell because of the smoke. So we're looking east right now. Those are called the Cedar Mountains. And then now we're looking at the southeast. Way yonder you can see the freeway. That's Interstate 15, northbound and southbound. Now we're looking at southeast. And then we're looking in the direction of Cedar City, down yonder there. You can see the Shirts Mountain fire. And it looks like it's not too windy because the smoke's going straight up. So that's a good thing. Because if it's windy, then the ambers have the tendency to spread the fire. And so the highway that you're seeing there, the cars traveling, that is Minersville Highway, or State Route 143. Yeah. And that goes to Cedar City, and then the other direction goes to Minersville. Yeah, and we do live in a farming community. Hence, you saw the tractors in my backyard. Some of us are conserving water, so that's why you see the dry lands. Okay, let's go forward. And that's the house. Yep, that's me right there. Let's see if I can focus. There. I'm going to zoom in. And I shall wave. There. Hi. Oh, silly. So anyway, let's go to the front of the house. All right, let's go ahead and turn around. always have to watch out for power lines, telephone lines. Oh, looks like my neighbor Bob is home. I saw the green truck. Usually he spends the weekend up in the mountains. So the front yard is totally cleared from any weeds. So the next thing is if I decide to put sod in, I'll have to put the sprinkler system in first. Okay, let's go down a little bit in altitude. We're chipping off the paint from the picket fence so we can repaint it. As you can see, we're working on that. And that's the house. And it's a nice house, 7-bedroom, 3-bathroom with double sinks, kitchen upstairs and a kitchen downstairs, 2-car garage on a little over half-acre lot. Okay, see this pine tree? I'm working on the, see how it's getting dry? And my neighbor's saying, hey, Monty, your pine tree is dying. You need to give it water. So I'm working on the sprinkler system for that, or irrigation system that I'm working on today, so I can water it on a timer every other day. All right, let's go ahead and finish off this flight. And you can see my ham radio antenna. Okay, let's see. Oh, let me show you the case tractor I'm working on right now. It's a 1951 VAC. That's the model. Company name is Case, C-A-S-E. That's a 4-cylinder. I'm rebuilding the brakes, replacing the seals. I got to clean all that up and then degrease it and repaint it. Primer first and then the color. Color is actually kind of a reddish orange, mainly more on the reddish side. All right, let's go and see if I can land this thing. I'm in my socks. I took my boots off because, man, it's warm outside. All right, let me go a little bit to the left and then go down and landing there. Okay, well, thanks for watching.